Hello guys and welcome back to episode 4? Yeah, episode 4 of the forest. And we seem to have everything. Our log holder disappeared. So let's sleep. Voila! Is there any of those things near us? Shock. Alright. We're kinda hungry, so let's cook a rabbit. And I'm going to kill that lizard. No. Will it not let me pick up any sticks now? There we go. So, today, I guess what we will be doing is building some of the other stuff on the list. Or crafting book, whatever you want to call it. Oh god, I hate that bush. Screw you, bush. There's a lizard. Yeah. Our thing got burnt. Storage. Right there. Let's hope this time it works, guys. There we go. I don't even know why I just grabbed that out, but... Ooh, it's raining. Alright. Well, I'm gonna figure out how to make a ceiling. Somehow. I will figure this out. Ugh. I did not want to place that. Crap. Here we nope. Screw it. We're just gonna have to do this. Alright, now let's start making some. Wait, what is that connecting to? Jesus Christ. Some defensive walls. Place a window right here. Jesus. I hate this connecting thing, it's really annoying. Well, that's not gonna work. Either will that. Let's place a little door right here. Please don't connect. And let's try and figure out this. There we go. I guess we're just gonna have a lot of messed up wood. This is gonna take forever, so I'm gonna cut the video until I'm done. I promise I'll have this done. Hello guys and welcome back here to episode 4 of the forest, and I am done building that half. As you can see, I've gotten all these little fire pits and effigies, but they don't seem to spawn. I have everything in them. Pisses me off. Really does. But even this little fire pit won't. Fucking pisses me off. I just got all this shit for nothing. Get out of here, Bush. No one likes you. Yeah, we added some windows, some defensive walls. Crap like that. Furniture, nope. Traps, no. Wait, where's it at? There it is. Wait, no. I'll add some of this right about there. Oh crap, no. Add this. Hold up, let me rotate it. Right there. Alright guys, this was a very short episode, but long for me. That was over, like, I believe, 35 wood. Right there. As you can see, I chopped down a lot of trees. And I've killed a lot of the natives. I mean, like, if they keep coming around, I'm surprised that's how many I've killed. But either way, let's eat the lizard. That log holder does not work, by the way. There we go. Now let's get up here. We'll try to. This place is really beautiful at night. That seagull's flying really slow. And it just went through a wall. Will this one go through the wall? Nope, he landed. I killed that one. Do you see his head? He's trying to twerk for me. Twerk, Mr. Seagull. Twerk. Oh. Oh, wait, what? What? Oh. Twerk. Twerk that. Twerk that ass. Seagull's like trying... I'm sorry, Seagull. Alright, guys. That is it for episode 4. Let's sleep. Actually, they're outside my base. There they are. Look at him. He thinks he's all big badass. He got a little skull on his stick. Yeah, look around. I got three skulls on every stick. It's fucking effigy. Yeah, you better run, bitch. Get out of here. Go. Get out of here. Yeah, run. Run. No, run. Don't sit there and watch me. Run. The seagull will twerk, seagull, twerk. My twerking seagull's still there. Oh god, it went nighttime. I can't even see a thing. There we go. My seagull will each twerk. Twerk. Twerk, seagull, twerk. He's still twerking slowly. Go away. No one likes you. I said go away, not come closer. No, screw you! Oh god, you hit me. What? You took my armor off of me. Why? Why? Alright, but either way, say goodbye to the twerking seagull. We will pay honor to him now. That's if the cassette player will come. There we go. There he goes into the deep blue sea. Well, this is all, guys. Give a like for that twerking seagull. Picky Shrek out.